What is good, Instagram family? I hope everybody had a wonderful, prosperous weekend, and y'all didn't let your weekend turn into your weekend. Yesterday was a day of unplugging for me. Unplugging. Sometimes, when you dump a cup and you're filling other people's cup up, and you're making sure the family is always straight. Being a mom 24/7, being a wife, sometimes you just have to unplug. You have to unplug to re-energize, to get yourself ready to continue to pour into everybody, to continue to be that backbone of support. So, in other words, yesterday was my unplugging day. Yesterday was my resetting day. Yesterday was the day that I was really intentional about what I wanted to do with my business this week, what goals I wanted to accomplish before this year is, because we only got about 30 days, if that. So I come here to say it is okay to unplug. It is okay to reset. Never try to keep up with what's going on social media. Don't be that person that's just doing it for social media, always trying to make your presence known for social media, just always trying to be something that you're not for social media. Because, contrary to belief, I come on social media most of the time for my family, to show them that they should be showing their face. They should be out here impacting lives every single day. So I do it for them, and I do it for those people that are not part of my family, that look at me for motivation, for inspiration. Those are the two main reasons that I be on social media. Honestly, the only two reasons. So I say that to say, don't try to keep up with these other people on social media that's always posting, that's always doing this, because that's them. That's what they do. Do and grow yourself, but behind closed doors. Do your resets. Do your resets that you have to do. More of the story: don't do it for social media. Do it for yourself. Do it for your last name. Do it for your family. Social media, at the end of the day, is a hype. Don't want to get into Meg talk, but I think it's going to happen. Just more of the story, like I said. Don't be that person that just does it for social media. Don't be the person that's always doing this for social media. Don't be the person that's trying to please social media. Make yourself happy. Make your family happy. Make your business happy. Make yourself full. Don't come to social media for okay. Don't come to social media for acceptance. Be you. Be that person in real life, because I'm even doper in real life. Don't let this social media fool you. You're really dope in real life. I just do it for my family, to show them that this is how you get to the level of success. And I do it for those that are not part of my family. It's like, hey, I know I'm here to motivate and inspire you, but how long are you going to get motivated and inspired? How long is it going to take you to get up off your butt and be the person that's motivated and inspired, being a better person, adding different income streams to your life, saying that you can do it, letting fear go? That's what I'm here for. Because you want to hear its secret? Most of these people that y'all idolize on social media, that you try to be like on social media, really are miserable in real life, and they're really broke in real life. So don't try to keep up with those people, some of the people that you all idolize on social media, because they just do it for social media. Once they get off of here, their life is like miserable. Some of y'all's life is not like that. Some of you have a wonderful life, but sometimes we let social media take over, and we try to be something that we're not. So don't try to be something that you're not. Social media is just social media. Be you in real life. Be that person in real life. Aim to be a better person in real life, not just for social media. And that's my rant for social media. As I prepare, get my family ready for the week, got a bunch of trainings today. Definitely ready, very much in the field, because this thing don't stop. Just because I didn't post on social media don't mean it don't stop.